this is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post something new. Today I am going to kind of do a little test here. I did a little test on this brush. I just got these brushes and I believe they're called fountain brushes, but I could be wrong. I'm not sure if I ruined this one though with the way I cleaned it, but it doesn't look like this one anymore, and this is a smaller version of it. These are actually Black Gold by Dynasty brushes, and I will verify down in underneath this links to being able to buy these and confirm the name on them, but I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. And then I'm also going to be using this huge number 1 Royal Aquilon number 2950 brush. It's a filbert brush to do this design. Again, this is just going to be, you're going to come along with me for the ride. I am going to be using all FolkArt paints. This one is Wicker White. It's an enamel. Citrus Green, which is also an enamel. Thicket is an enamel. Berry Wine, this one's multi-surface. And if I throw anything else in, I will let you know as I'm doing it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just go around and make this very simple flower. Again, I'm just using this brush. I'm pretty sure I've used it before, but I'm not sure when that might have been. But I want to test out these brushes, so I thought, why not bring you along with me and we can see how it works out. So again, I'm just going around tapping on these, putting in some magenta. Oh, I forgot that. I'm sorry. Forgot that one also. I'm using multi-surface magenta. Alright. And then I'm just going to wipe my brush off a little bit and then come back in here, run some white through it just to give it some more color. I'm just going to keep that white going on the same direction on each side of the, I guess when it comes down here it'll be a different side. Now I'm just turning the brush to the side and doing it instead of flat. No particular reason, I just think I like the design of the petals better that way. Then you can also, go back in and then come back with some darker, which is the berry wine, and add a little twist into there with the berry wine. These are kind of fun because really I just kind of feel like anything goes when you're painting like this. Just more of a whimsical, fun way to paint. And then you might want to come back in, just add some more of the magenta in, just blending it. You can even make the petals a little bit bigger on your flower. Do this, blend it in. And we're going to put that center in. And again, I'm just doing this to show you, kind of demo out this brush that I got and see what kind of a center it does. It's actually good to make circles with this, how I saw it being used when it was being demonstrated. Let's give it some flow here. Like I said, you can keep working the petals if you want. I just want this to be another short video. Cute little flowers. On my little porcelain tray that I love. So glad I bought this. It just makes it easier to demo, to show you some different techniques. Like I said, I could probably just keep working this all night long here, but I'm not going to, I promise. I promise. Promise, promise, promises. Of course, with my little ridge around here, it kind of runs into that. Alright, so let's go on to the next thing. I'm going to try this brush and tap in the center, and yes, I am going to use a different color. You know what, let's go with the yellow. We'll do the moon yellow, just to be a little bit, this is a multi-surface moon yellow. If I can get it to come out of the silly jar. Alright, so I'm going to dip my paint in here, and like I said, hopefully you can see how it's like making little or like little open circles. They're not closed circles, they're open circles. But I think it's so pretty. I thought when I saw this brush, I like the idea of making, you know, making circles like for a background or whatnot. But then I thought, oh my gosh, this is just so darn pretty to use like for a center when you're tapping in centers, and kind of give it a, just kind of a fun, I mean, look at that. To me, that's fun. Let's see what the small one does. I have not tried this one yet. Let's see, maybe I'll put it into my pink, the magenta, and do little kind of fun circles. Well, they're circles, but they're not filled. They're kind of open circles. And just kind of tap like that in here. And you have like a little festive flower. I love it. I love it. I really like it. Alright, so now I'm going to go with my colors and just do double loading. Again, I'm not the greatest double loader. I know how to do it. I just always seem like I'm rushing through stuff. Alright, so then I'm just going to come down here and put this, just a cute little fun flower, and then maybe we'll just do some little leaves that come, and then just kind of twist down, and then maybe this way too, and we can call it a day. Like I said, this is just meant to be a very quick little tutorial for you to show these new brushes. And again, I will definitely verify the names, and I mean, look how that opens in the center. And the little one is starting to do it too. Very fun. Very fun. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for right now. Again, this was just a demo to show you these new brushes that I have. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit that share button underneath the video so that you can share it with your social network, family, friends. Spread the word. I appreciate any help I can get in growing my channel. Alright, and until the next video, you have a good one. Thanks so much for stopping back.